Surprise! Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video. Veekee James made this masterpiece for Priscilla Ojo, and I thought to share the process video that she posted with you with some few explanations on how you can achieve this stuff. So if this is what you would like to learn, keep on watching. Like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
Like I always tell you that every design starts with a sketch. You need to sketch out what you want to make. It will help you to make the style beautifully well, and also give you the vision of what you are looking at, and then it will give you and your workers a kind of direction, so that when you are sewing, you will not just be sewing haphazardly. So this is a corset dress, but it is a princess that's bustier corset kind of dress, and it has a deep plunging neckline. So as you can see, it's a mermaid gown, it's an A-line gown, but it's also a deep plunging corset dress, and then the sleeve had some kind of beautiful patterns on it that was embroidered, and then it was a combination of beautiful designs that were cut out and placed on a chantilly net for the sleeve. You don't have to follow this particular method. You can do any kind of design of your choice, be creative, or if you want to make it exactly the way Veekee James made it, then you can see that the sleeve design was cut out in some kind of way, and then it was embroidered, and then the upper part was a combination of chantilly net, and then the whole body of the dress was something very plain. It was a full beaded dress. Judging from the first fitting, you see that this is an inbuilt corset. So it was first a corset before then the zipper was applied to it, and this was looking beautifully already stunning during the second fitting. And then this kind of glass beads were used for the dress, and it was fully beaded. Like I always say, there is something they call a fabric pen or a fabric pencil. This is what they use to draw out the lines or patterns of where they want to bead on the dress, as you can see in this video, before going ahead to bead the dress. So beading is not that difficult. So far you draw out your pattern on your dress, and you have work with professionals, or you yourself can do it on your own, then you can actually come out with this beautiful masterpiece design. So the plunging neckline of the gown obviously has a net on it. That is where the beads at the bust area was sitting on. That is why it looks like an illusion. So it has a skin net on it, and I have a separate video that I explained explicitly on how to the hacking technique to make a mermaid A-line gown. So I'm going to drop that in the description box down below, and then I'm going to also be making a tutorial much later on how to achieve the upper part of this dress. So the tail part of the dress was, decorated with some cut out of chantilly net, and so was the same thing was also done to the veil. It was the edges of the veil was decorated with chantilly net, also some cut out pieces of chantilly net, and then part of the sides of this dress was placed, chantilly net was placed on it at the side area, and it made it really beautiful. So this masterpiece was just a water neck plunging neckline gown You can cut yours as a corset, a bustier, plunging bustier gown, and make it an inbuilt corset. It's that simple. And then you make the skirt part a mermaid A-line skirt. All right, it is that simple. And then the neckline is going to be a bishop collar. All right, so that is just basically how they achieved the dress, and everything came out really beautiful. I was stunned when I saw this design. I like the mixture of the beads, the silver and transparent bead combination that they used. It made this dress really glow differently, unlike what you would normally see. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.